Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how can you do the velocity edit on CapCut. So just go to CapCut app. You can see the top left camera option. Just click on camera. Now click on the album option, which is in the right side of the camera. It will lead you to your gallery. Here just pick a video and click on edit in the bottom right, sorry. Now just click on edit, which is in the bottom left. Swipe it like this and click split, the first one. Now click on speed, the second one. Here you can make the video curve or normal. Just click on curve. You can customize it by choosing the first one. Again click it to make it edit. You can make it faster just by swiping like this, and make it slower just swiping like this. If you need to go back, then click on reset, which is in the bottom left, and go back. You can see another edits, which is montage, hero, bullet. Just click it and click on the top right download option. You can see the video is downloading. So guys, this is how can you make velocity edit on CapCut. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.